Hello there. This is going to be another Rust video, and I would like to show you how you can create associated functions. So what is an associated function? Basically, in Rust, all functions defined in a type in an implement block are associated functions. Okay, Dania, but can you give us a demonstration? Of course I can. So here is the project, and what I will do is to go ahead and create a struct which is called circle. Inside this circle, we are going to have a radius, which is an F64. And it's comma. And then we are going to have a shape trait. And with this shape trait, we are going to define an area, which is going to return an F64 value. And the default shape, which is going to return self. And then what we can do is to implement shape for circle. And basically, this is where the associated functions come into play. Come on. Good. So we are going to have the area, which points to the self and returns an F64. And what we want to do is to say that the std F64 const p multiplied by the self.radius multiplied by the self.radius, which is basically the self.radius squared multiplied by p. And the default shape is going to return self, and then the circle is going to have a radius of 1.0. So 1.0. Good. So how do we demonstrate this? What we basically want to do, get rid of the default print line. And here we have the circle, which is a circle with a radius of 5.0, and the area, which is a circle dot area. And then we can use the print line macro to say that the circle's area is whatever we calculated. Let's take it for a test drive. I am going to use the Quake Notch and navigate to the desktop coding and the associated functions and use a cargo run. And default shape is problematic. This is going to be a function. All right, let's go back. And it cannot find cons because it's a constant. So many typos. Okay. F64 constants. Good. So now, as you can see, the area of a circle, which has a radius of 5, is 78.53, and the list goes on. And then we can use the following definition. So let the circle is a circle of default shape, and the area is going to be the circle area. And then we can use a print line. The default circles area is the area. Let me close this line. And if you run it, you can see that this is basically the pie itself. And this is how you can use associated functions in Rust. See you in the next one.